Okay, folks, welcome to the video. First, let's talk about what's gonna happen this week. Right, so if you go to the Schoology page, right, so if you go to Schoology, this is what you'll see, right? So you'll see a calendar, you'll see our meeting link, and then you'll see the date for what we're doing on Thursday and Friday. Right, so if you click on here, there's gonna be a whole bunch of stuff. But first, I want to talk about the calendar. And if you click on the calendar, what you're going to see is what we're doing, right? So this is our integrated science class, and what are we actually doing on Thursday and Friday? We are doing a study session, right? So the study session is for A Day and B Day. So lucky for us, we don't have to do the video anymore, right? So we just skip that and we go straight to our study session. Folks, next week on Monday, if you are A Day, you're doing the exam. If you're B Day, you're doing the exam. Now you'll notice that there is also office hours in here as well. All right, so before I talk about office hours, one more thing is I don't know what we're doing on Wednesday and Thursday just yet. These 2 days are our last days, so it's TBD. We might just do a work day or a fun day, hopefully. All right. Anyways, okay, let's talk about office hours. Folks, there's a code for office hours. If you go to this link here, it's our Google Meet office hours link. So if you go here, you sign in, then it'll take you to where you can join the meeting. Now to join the meeting, if you can see here, right, if you look closely, you'll see it's HHS with the little dash, and then it's SXIONG. It does not have to be capitalized, but that's the code, and that's how you can log into the meeting. So let's talk about what we're actually doing. Okay, so if you are a virtual student, you absolutely have to watch the video every time, right? So there's going to be a new video every time for each of the day that we have, right? So if you click on it, you can watch the video, right? So there's a video, right? And it's actually this video you're watching right now. Next, for my virtual folks, there is something called an attendance post or a discussion post, right? So if you click on it, then you can submit, right? So just click here to create a submission. What I want you to do is to respond to the question, and then I can take your attendance, especially if you're virtual. Now for my in-person students, what we're going to do is the warm-up instead, right? So this is basically a warm-up, but for my virtual students. Next, okay, what's your actual job? All right, folks, for this week, for the 22nd and 23rd, your actual job is to do 2.94 and 2.95. 2.94 is the study guide, and it looks like this, right? Looks like this. It's about 3 pages. This is the first page, and then second and third page. This is everything that you need to know before the test, right? So you're gonna be ready for the test. Now there's an actual practice test as well, and you can do that as well. Yeah, well you should. You have to. Okay. If you are in person, we are going to take about 20 minutes to 30 minutes to do the study guide, and then we're going to take the practice test. If you take the practice test, you can take it as many times as you want, and if you take it, it'll actually help you a lot for the actual test, because some of the questions on the practice test are directly from the actual test. Okay, lastly, let's talk about this old stuff folder. This is all of our old stuff. Eventually, this folder will go in here as well. Okay, so that's how everything is going to be organized, so that it does not look super complicated all the time. And that's about it. So thanks for watching, folks. I will see you next time.